Hello guys, welcome back to Excel Argo Trading. As you can see here, today's date is 22 and time is 10:09. Today we are doing this live record and I have already opened our website here. This is a black background where you can see all data are fetching. Yes guys, you can see here Nifty October features, options, trading, all you can see here data are fetching one by one by date wise, high and low close. Yes, you guys see here already one orders is placed here. Okay, because already time is 10 or 10 and already one order is placed. Let's see in our order book, in our Alliance Blue broking terminal. See here one order is also already placed and it was placed at the time 10:08. Is this is where our breakout strategy is. You can see here put option is in buy today. Yes guys, we'll open our order book. You can see here Nifty October strike price is 24,550. One order is booked, that is put option. It is in buy position. You can see it in buy position. Yes guys, you can see here in buy position one order is booked. This is our breakout strategy. This order is placed and you can see here MTM how it is going on, how it is updating time to time. One order is placed here and I'll show you in Alliance Blue broking terminal. See exactly one order is placed on 10:08. Okay, we'll wait for a while and see one more order to place, and this is our second order is placed here. You can see our second order, time is 10:13 and second order is placed at time to 10:12 and yes, bank nifty put option is in, you can see a bank nifty put option is in buy position. Strike price 51,700. Yes guys, you can see here bank nifty 51,700 strike price is booked. These are all done by automatically. There is no necessity to sit and watch the market. If this Argo trade helps you to do marketing and trading automatically. Yes guys, this is our order book of Alliance Blue. This is, I'm doing a live marketing today, live market records. You can see here one more order is placed. Yes guys, you can see here clearly one more order is placed. It is Nifty put option. Yes guys, here one more Nifty put option. We'll wait till it get record here in order book. Yes guys, on 10:17 one order is placed. Yes, you can see here Nifty October put option is squared off. You can see here Nifty option put option is squared off and it's showing 50 rupees profit. Yes guys, you can see here this is our order book and this is a price where it is squared off now. Put option target 1 is done automatically. Put option target 1 is done automatically and you can see here this is in orange color. It means it is squared off now. Okay. Yes guys, we'll see here it is squared off and it is closed now. We'll see next one, which is one. We'll wait one more order to get placed here. Yes, you can see here time is 10:18, date is 22. I'm doing this live record on market only to show how our bank nifty, breakout strategy will work. This is showing profit of rupees 2,400 plus. Okay, I'm just doing this record only for few minutes because just to show how it works. Okay, we'll wait. The 3 orders are placed. Even I can show you on our back record also. 3, even here also 3 records are placed. Yes guys, I just show you our Nifty 50 put option. See how market is in bearish today. Yes guys, we'll just mark and show you. by comparing our breakout strategy. Yes, bank nifty sell is here. Sell is on 24,831. This will market on 24,831 here. Yes guys, exactly here where our sell is generated. For sell will give red, and here is guys sell is generated, will write it down as a sell. Yes, sell. Okay, this is a sell where our nifty have given a order. Nifty has one order placed here, and see how market is fallen. Yes guys, this is, I'm doing a live record. This is sell is placed, and we'll save it to show you later again. Okay, we'll save as a 22 date as per today. Okay. Yes guys, I'll just show you how our back record is going on here. You can see here 3 orders are placed. Here also you can see in our black background 3 orders are here placed. You can you can compare the time, order placed, lots, how many lots we have given. See, you can see here 3 orders are placed. Yes guys, even you can see here 3 orders are placed. 1 nifty October 24,550 put option orders are getting placed. See, 24,550 nifty. Here buy, here also buy in nifty. Next will come for bank nifty. Here one sell is there, you can see here. Yes guys, one more order is placed. Yes, it will record here. See, one more bank nifty put option, strike price 51,700 is getting get squared off. Okay guys, nifty also it got squared off, and bank nifty also it got squared off guys. This is how our breakout strategy work. This is a magic of algo trading, and how it goes everything automatically. Yes guys, you can see here market is falling, and this is how it is showing profit. It is put option. Yes guys, see here 4 orders are placed, 4 orders executed here, and you can see time also I'm comparing. It's 10:22, and you can see here at 10:21 order is placed. Yes guys, this is how our breakout strategy works. Thank you guys.